Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Robison. We're going to talk about trade versus subtraction today. So today we're going to use place value chips, which are similar to base 10 blocks, except they are just chips, and each chip, colored chip, has its own different value. So you can see at the bottom of the screen, I have the math problem, 246 minus 57. Well, the first thing I'm going to do is set up my top number, my minuend, with my place value chips. So I can see I have a 2 in the hundreds place. So that means I'm going to put down 200 chips. I move to my tens place and I have a 4 in the tens place. So I will put down 4 10 chips. Because we know that a 4 in the tens place means 40. And if I counted all of my 10 chips up, I would have a total of 40. I move to my ones place and I see that I have 6 ones, so I'm going to add 6 1 chips. Okay, and now I have built the number 246. I know that I'm going to be taking away 57 from them. So I'm first in trade versus subtraction is I have to make sure I do all of my trades. So I'm going to go to my largest place value. In this case, it is the hundreds place. And I'm going to make sure I can do the subtraction for this place value. So 200s minus nothing equals, right now, 200s. I'm able to do my subtraction, but I'm not going to do the subtraction yet. I'm just worrying about my trading. So now I'm going to move to the tens place to make sure that I can subtract there. In this, I have 4 tens take away 5 tens. Well, I can't do that because 5 is larger than 4. I don't have enough tens to give away right now. So I need more tens. In order to get more tens, I'm going to trade one 100 chip for 10 tens. Now I'm going to record what has happened. I no longer have 2 100 chips. Now I have 1 100 chips. I no longer have 4 10 chips. Now I have 14 10 chips. I'm able to do my subtracting in the tens place now. I'm going to move to my ones place. Can I do 6 ones minus 7 ones? No, I don't have enough ones to take away. I need to do some trading again. So I'm going to trade one 10 chip for 10 ones. Again, I'm going to do my recording. I no longer have 14 tens. I now have 13 tens. And I no longer have 6 ones. I have 16 ones. Now that I've done all my trading, I can now subtract. I'm going to start in my ones place. Now I have 16 ones minus 7 ones. So I'm going to take 7 ones away. That's 6. And I'm going to take 1 more for 7. How many ones am I left with? Well, I know since this is a 10 frame, here's 5 and 4 more, so I have 9. So I'm going to record that I have 9 in my ones place. Now I'm going to move to my tens place. 13 tens minus 5 tens. So I'm going to take away 5 tens. Doesn't want to let me group them. Guess I will take them individually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens. If I go back and look, I'm going to set my 10 frame up so it's easier to read, I can see that 13 tens minus 5 tens leaves me with 5 plus 3, which is 8. I have 8 tens. So let's record our 8 tens. And finally, I move to my hundreds place. I have 1 100 minus nothing leaves me with 1 100. So my answer is 189.